Welcome back to Claudia Cooks. Have I got a delicious sandwich here for you? Let's jump into the kitchen and make it. As always, the ingredients will be listed in the link below for you. I'm making a homemade pesto here due to my allergies, but you can buy a ready-made one from the supermarket. Let's make the pesto. We're adding in a cup of pine nuts, followed by some Parmesan cheese, a large handful of basil, two cloves of garlic, olive oil, and some lime juice. Add some salt and black pepper to taste before blitzing all the ingredients. Whilst that's blitzing, let's prepare the panini. Whilst the panini is toasting, let's get the salad bits ready for the sandwich. I like the flavor of garlic, so I'm going to be rubbing some garlic over the toasted panini, followed by a dash of olive oil. Time to spread a generous amount of that delicious pesto over the panini and layer with some tomatoes. On the other half of the panini, we're going to spread a generous amount of the goat's cheese over, followed by a dash of olive oil and some slices of avocado. I'm adding a bit of cucumber for a bit of crunch. Just a little bit more seasoning to taste, followed by some more pesto because it's a pesto and goat cheese sandwich. It's time to cut into that delicious sandwich. It's easy and it's simple, but it's absolutely delicious. Give it a try and let me know what you think. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and hit that notification so you know whenever I upload something new.